इधर तो नहीं कोई हैंडल रखना है।
Okay. First you have to shift the keyboard to the extreme. Just show it again. You have to shift the keyboard to the extreme left. Then switch off the coupler. Then you have to identify which key is making this buzzing sound. See this key is making the buzzing sound. So then you have to identify which one is making the sound. See this reed is making the sound. So you have to lift up the board and then
this compartment and this reed board.
Then you have to take this reed board and you have to count from here.
This way.
You have to
1,
count
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
21. So 21st reed is making the sound.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, and also,
So now you have to move the tongue of the reed and make sure that it doesn't touch any of the edges. The sides are free, absolutely.
this is the free reed. The sound is
See, you can listen to the sound of the free reed and the reed that is making the sound. So then you have to make the adjustment of this tongue like this. Correct. So the tongue should be absolutely free from the sides. It shouldn't touch the sides at all. Right. So now you get rid of the buzzing sound. So this is the way you have to tune the reed and remove the buzzing sound.